In today's video, I have two amazing side dish rice recipes. They are easy and quick, and the taste is beyond your imagination. And I know for sure you're going to love it. So, without wasting my time, let's jump right in. Hello, and welcome back if you are new here. My first rice recipe is my butter rice with just few ingredients. You need unsalted butter, which you're going to melt. Once I'm done melting, we'll go ahead to add in some chopped onions, okay? This is just about half medium size. We'll fry this until it is nice and translucent. Once the onions are nicely fried, we'll add in some garlic powder. You can also use the paste. That is totally up to you. We'll give it a stir and add in 1 to half cup of jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice because it is fragrant and it cooks evenly. To that, we'll go in and add in my scallions, okay? And some salt. We'll mix everything together, then add in 1 to half cup of water. We'll give it a quick stir and cover it and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. 15 minutes during the cooking, we'll add in the rest of the scallions, red bell peppers, and some parsley. I'm using the dry, but you can use the fresh ones. We'll give it a nicely stir and cover it and let it cook for additional 3 minutes. And you will have the perfect butter rice, so delicious, which you can serve with any sauce or hot sauce or protein you want, or just as a side dish with whatever. Just look how beautiful it is, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Alright guys, up next is the turmeric rice, okay, which is actually my favorite. So I have some pasta here, which I'm going to break them into 1-inch pieces and set it aside. So to a heated pan, I went ahead to add in some oil, about 3 tablespoons. I'll allow it to heat up, then add in my broken pasta. We'll fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. After 2 minutes of frying, we'll add in a teaspoon of garlic ginger paste and then add in half medium-sized onion. We'll then fry this for a few minutes, then add in a cup of rice. Once our rice goes in, we'll stir everything together and fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next is to go in with some salt and turmeric powder. Meanwhile, I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much. The love and support. God bless you. And if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to join this amazing family. Once the water goes in, I'm just going to give it a quick stir and cover it and let it cook for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes of cooking over medium heat, just look how gorgeous this looks. Hey! And what I absolutely love about this is that you can enjoy it just as it is. So delicious. And it looks so perfect. Yes. In a corner, chofiku. Ke shitokpapaku. Abaleke. So give it a try and let me know how it comes out, okay? Because it tastes so good. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another amazing deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.